Hello there, Albastuz3d here. Due to restriction and ban issues, we are no longer using WhatsApp for customer support. Please follow this instructional video to learn how to reach Albastuz3d for direct customer support. Click the provided link. Enter your phone number as an identifier and then click Start Chat. Type your request in the message box and press Send. Be precise with what you want and use English for easier assistance. You will receive immediate response from our team, and we will walk you through the solutions to your problems. And remember, this chat is permanent, and you can always come back to it for any future requests. This app also works on mobile devices and any other device that has a browser, so reach out from your device for our professional customer support. Thanks for the watch. See you next time.